Hey guys, welcome to Universal Study Studio. So the topic for today is advantages and disadvantages of computer. First of all, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic data processing device which accepts and stores data input, processes the data input and generates the output in a required format. Now let's learn about the advantages of using a computer. Number 1. High speed. A computer can perform millions of calculations in few seconds. Accuracy. Computers perform all tasks with 100% accuracy, which are error free. Number 3. Storage capability. Computers' memory stores huge chunks of data. Versatility. A scientific problem, card, game, and mathematical calculations may all be solved together. Durability. Computers are easy to maintain and have long life. Automation. The computer has the ability to perform the task automatically. Reduction in paperwork and cost. Computers are very cost effective. Now let's learn about the disadvantages of using computer. No feelings. Computers cannot make judgments on feelings as it has no emotions. Environment. Computer needs cool, dust-free environment to operate. Dependency. It cannot make any decisions on its own. Health issues. Computers may result in eye irritation and may also cause obesity. Addiction. Computer can be very addictive, especially for children, resulting in lack of interest in studies. So over here, this character is called Talking Ben. He's the character of Talking Tom and Friends. So now we know that computers have their own pros and cons. Thank you for watching Universal Study Studio. And do not forget to subscribe to Universal Study Studio. Bye for now.